Happy morning children. Last class we completed multimedia and its components. Today's topic multimedia production. Under that, steps in multimedia production, adequate time and efficient planning is required for multimedia production. So in that, while doing a project we need adequate time and efficient planning to complete our project successfully. Okay children. So the first topic is conceptual analysis in planning. Conceptual analysis and planning. The process of multimedia making begins with a conceptual ignition. What is meant by ignition point? Action of setting something. Action of setting something. Conceptual analysis identifies appropriate theme, budget and content availability, that selected theme. Additional criteria like copyright issues also considered in this space. I hope you all know about copyright. So while doing a project, copyright issue is very important, because of another one should not copy your projects, that why they are using a copyright. Okay children. Next topic is project design. Once the theme is finalized and objective, goals and activities are drawn for the multimedia project. General statements are termed as goals. The specific statements in the multimedia is known as objectives. Activities are the series of actions performed to implement objectives. These activities contribute the project design phase. Okay. Once the theme is selected, we should start our project children. So that's only they are saying in project design topic. The next topic is pre-production. The next topic is pre-production. Based on the planning and design, it is necessary to develop our project. Based on a planning and design, we can start our project. Okay. The next topic is budgeting. Budgeting is very important. So budgeting for each phases like consultants, hardware, software, travel, communication and publishing is estimated for all multimedia projects. So budgeting is very important for all phases children while doing a project. The next topic is multimedia production team. Multimedia production team. Last class we saw that multimedia production team. So multimedia production team, high-end multimedia project requires a team efforts. The team comprises of members playing various roles and responsibilities like script writer, production manager, editor graphics, architect, multimedia architect and webmaster. So the next topic is very important topic, hardware and software selection. Hardware and software selection. You people know about what is meant by hardware and what is meant by software. While doing a project, we need hardware and software. Okay children. So all multimedia application requires appropriate tools to develop and play back the application. Hardware includes a selection of fastest CPU, RAM and huge monitors to sufficient disk storing the records. So நம்ம project பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு என்ன முக்கியம், hardwareum softwareum முக்கியம். Okay, means you people know what is meant by hardware and what is meant by software. Okay children. The next topic is defining the content. So content is very important while doing a project. While doing a project, content is very important. Content is a stuff. Content is a stuff provided by the content specialist to the multimedia architect. With the help of application is developed. Who prepares the narration, bullets, chart and tables. So நம்ம இப்போ ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணுறோன்னா அதோட கண்டென்ட் என்ன நமக்கு வேணுமா இல்லையா, அந்த கண்டென்ட் நம்ம எப்படி கொடுப்போம். ஸோ நரேஷன், புல்லட்ஸ் நம்ம நோட் பாயிண்ட்ஸாக கொடுப்போம். நெக்ஸ்ட் அது சார்ட்டு, டேபிள்ஸ் மூலிமா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், டிஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். So next point is preparing the structure. Preparing the structure. A detailed structure must have information about all the steps along with timeline future. ஸோ நம்ம ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணும்போது என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ரெடி பண்ணுவோம். இப்படி தான் இருக்கும் அந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். ஸோ திஸ் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் டிஃபைன்ஸ் த ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ், ரெஸ்பான்சிபிள் பர்சன் ஃபார் ஈச் ஆக்டிவிட்டி, ஸ்டார்ட் அண்ட் எண்ட் டைம். Start and end time. The next one is production. Next one is production. So production is very important in multimedia application. Pre-production activities, the production phase starts. This phase includes activities like background music selection, sound recording and so on. The text incorporated using OCR software. Picture shots by the digital camera. Picture shots by digital camera. Videos clips are stored and edited by compressed. A pilot project is ready for this time. After completing a production, we move to testing. So the complete of testing pilot production is done. Mass production ensure that everything is placed, thereby avoiding the failure after launch. Okay, we testing. So see the diagram, children. So these are the multimedia production. There are 12 steps are there. Okay, the first step is conceptual analysis and planning, project design, pre-production, budgeting, multimedia production team, hardware and selection, defining the content, preparing a structure, production, testing, documentation and delivering a multimedia product, conceptual analysis and planning. Okay, children. So in that the topic is testing. The tested with different browsers. So the browsers, like you people know the browsers. What are the browsers? Internet Explorer, Chrome, Mozilla and Netscape Navigator. Okay, children. After the testing process over, the product is incorporated with valid suggested changes. Okay, after completion of testing, we move to documentation. So documentation is very mandatory. Mandatory means it's important. Okay, children. Future of all multimedia projects. The documentation has all the valuable information. Starting from the system requirement still completion of testing. Contact details, email address, phone numbers are also provided for technical support and sending suggestions and comments. So இந்த documentation என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம பண்ணுற ப்ராஜெக்டான டீட்டெயில்ஸ் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ் எல்லாமே இந்த டாக்குமெண்டேஷனில் ஸ்டோர் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. ஃபியூச்சரில் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், அந்த டீட்டெயில்ஸ் எடுத்து நம்ம காண்டாக்ட் டீட்டெயில்ஸ் இருக்கும், மெயில் ஐடி இருக்கும், நம்ம என்ன இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ் வேணாலும் நம்ம கேட்டால் உங்ககிட்ட சஜஷன்ஸ் வாங்கிக்கலாம். After that, the last topic is delivering the multimedia product. இப்போ நம்ம ப்ராடக்ட் முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் நம்ம எப்படி டெலிவர் பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னா, with the help of they are delivering CD and DVD, with the help of CD and DVD or in website. Okay, children. Thank you. I hope you all are thorough.